Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Recently, I have updated my portfolio website. Uh, my previous portfolio website was looking good, but the conversion rate is not satisfied. That's why I have redesigned my website and update the layout and make and convert to uh, so that helps to increase conversion. And after the after the redesign my website portfolio website, it's increase the conversion rate a good number. Now I'm going to work through and visit all pages and show you all pages. Uh, let's go to the skin, and this is my landing page, portfolio landing page. This is the menu, and everything is smoothly working. And here is the hero section, and hero section, and here is the uh, I show my all my skill here and about my service. And here is the core expertise section, and here I mention here which service I actually promote. And this is the service section, and this is the call to action button, and this is the footer menu section, and this is the footer social section, and this is the footer. And this is the I edit my the AI system service link to here. Now go to click the here, and this is my the AI system landing page. This is most the modern design, and customer also he can book me as a appointment and select time and fill in the form, and they can schedule a appointment. Now let's back to my portfolio website again. Now go to visit the about us section, about us page. This is the about us page, and I added the new section. The more the conversion that helps to increase more conversion, and added the Google service link. And this helps to boosting my portfolio and my service. And when clicking the Google search button, they will see the Google search page, and everything's working. And also added the my intro video, and here is the my others. And go to the project folder, project phase, and this is the project phase. And everything's working, and showcase my all my work, my everything work. And so now let's visit the one project, and here is the my one project. And here is the my project gallery, project screenshot gallery, and show the all pages screenshot here. And so that customer client can easy to show my recent work smoothly. And here is the about overview the project details here. And go to the service page. This is the service section. I can edit the all service here. And this is my blog. This is my blog page, and show the all the blog categories here. And user can easy to visit, and the relevant post here and read out. And let's visit one category likes a coding. Let's go to visit the cloud code. This is easy to navigate and easy to filter my all the blog post here. And go to the single blog post page. This is the blog post page, and also show the table of content here. And this is nicely way UI, so that customer user easy to read. And also tag show the tagline here. And I see my author section, and related section related post show here. And this is the contact page. This is my interactive contact page. And show client can easy to reach my connect with me using the contact form. And here is the FAQ section. And that's it. After redesign my website, there's good amount of increase the conversion rate. I just share my experience and show my portfolio. Thanks for watching.